Dear friends, good morning. This is Ravi from India, founder of Association of Relief Volunteers, a non-profit social service organization working for Dalits and tribals in Andhra Pradesh, India. I would like to bring some of achievements and present situation to your kind notice. Friends, ARV provided 45 houses for KI village who were severely affected during tsunami in 2004. They all belongs to Dalit and tribal communities ignored by the government to provide a relief and rehabilitation. In this situation, ARV built 45 permanent houses with the support of Longitude and international volunteers. Then again, 84 houses were built for Dalits in GP village, which is located in middle of Kolleru Lake region. This village affects very often with the floods. There were many widows also in the village who got permanent houses with the support of Longitude and international volunteers. Finally, with the same spirit, ARV initiated 60 houses in Chevuru village for Dalits who are agricultural laborers and living in thatched houses for generations. With the support of Longitude and international volunteers, 60% of construction work has completed and the remaining 40% of construction work stopped due to lack of funds and also no international volunteer trips visits. Friends, now the situation in Chevuru village is miserable. There is a big disappointment in the village when their houses will be completed, when they are going to join in their new houses, when they are going to lead a dignified life, because their houses are in different stages. It is a rainy season. It is a very painful situation for all the villagers. Unfortunately, Longitude and I are not in a position to mobilize the resources to complete the Chevuru houses. And besides that, international volunteers also not visiting Chevuru village after tsunami in Japan. Dear friends, please the housing situation in Chevuru village. Please see the housing situation. Some of the houses are completed, some of the houses are yet to completed, some of the houses are in different stages. They are all eagerly waiting to join in their new houses. For everyone, for all the volunteers, it's a big challenge ahead of us to complete Chevuru houses so that people live happily in their new houses. On behalf of Dalits in Chevuru village, I am requesting all the international volunteers who have visited contribute just $200 each one of you to complete the Chevuru housing program. Friends, please understand the situation and kindly consider my request to support untouchables. Please.